Hello boys and girls, I'm going to show you how to use an app called My Story to create your own story. The My Story app is in the Technology folder. Tap on My Story. For our purposes today, just use the Reflections Demo folder, Author, add a book, give your book a title, here are all your tools across the bottom. You can see all the pages of your story here. Right now I don't have any. This is my cover. Here are all your drawing tools, and if you swipe you can do backgrounds. If you swipe again you have some shapes. Here's all the different colored pens you can choose, stickers, and recording. So this is going to be my cover, and my story is about a pirate. So I'm going to do a background. And in my story I'm going to have lots of pirate things. So I find the pirate stickers. You can move them around and make them smaller and bigger. Now that I've drawn my second page, I'm going to show you how you can record instead of just typing your story. Press the record button, but be ready, it starts right away. Once upon a time there was a boy named Will. He wanted to be a pirate more than anything he could ever think of. If you don't like the recording, you can hit the X, and then you add a new page. Once all of your team members have gotten a chance to write a page, you can finish your story, and it comes out like a movie. Watch mine. Once upon a time there was a boy named Will. He wanted to be a pirate more than anything he could ever think of. Will would spend his entire day playing with his imaginary octopus and parrot and all the other pirate things he had in his room. You will of course want to add more pages than I did to finish your story. If you need to go back, click Edit Story, and again, here you can see your pages. Now your turn. Enjoy!